Guys, my name is Amrita and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to show you guys what's in my bag. Basically, I've decided to divide this video into two parts. The first part is going to be about what's in my cute little bag. Um, Pretty interesting video. I'm very excited about it. And the second part is going to be about a review of this bag. So, in case you are interested to check out how this bag works out for me in general and the pros and the cons of the same, do check out my other video. Alright, folks, I'm going to quickly talk about this bag. So this bag is the Pollen camel colored seam mini, and this is the best bag, one of the best that I own. I gifted this one to myself on my 30th birthday, so this is pretty special. And I also decided to decorate it a little bit. So these are cute little baby macaroons that I picked up from Paris. Pretty chic, not overloading it with like bunch of things. This is the mini version. I think there's a regular version available, but I don't have it. Maybe I will buy it one day. We'll see. But let's get started with the first pouch that I have in this bag. This pouch, I got it in Paris from the airport. I don't remember the shop, but it is one of the most colorful shops I've seen. They have all the stationery items. I just picked it up from there. This is kind of an important pouch. I would say most of the things in here are pretty important. And if I shift to a smaller bag, I would definitely pick a couple of things from here and just move it to the smaller bag. So the first thing that will definitely move to the smaller one is this Touchland Power Mist hand sanitizer. This is in pure lavender scent, and they have newer versions of this in like rose water, sandalwood, which I'm very interested to try. So I'm just waiting for this to finish. It's almost there, but I absolutely love it. By the way, I'm also enjoying a drink as I shoot this video. The next thing that comes out of this pouch is the Before You Go toilet spray from Potpourri, and this is an original citrus. You can basically use this toilet spray before you actually use the restroom, and once you flush you don't smell a thing except for this citrus spray, which is the purpose of this spray, and it works out really amazing. Tide to Go pen. If I'm wearing something white, I definitely carry this one because I just don't want to stain it. I can just use the Tide to Go pen. Now I think they also have the wipe version. I haven't tried it because when I got this, I got it in a set of 3 and I'm still using those 3. And another useful thing is the deodorant wipe, and this works out really well. So this is also in the calming French lavender. It comes in a set of I think 5 to 10, and you can grab this in Whole Foods in the travel section kit. They are like little minis over there, and there are these wipes from where I picked them up. Other thing that I generally carry when I'm traveling is little buckle. So I usually carry a water bottle and just clip it to any of my bags, and this comes in very handy. And the last but the most interesting one from this is my handy dandy fan. I love this fan. It's little stained now, but it is so useful and I've gotten so much use out of this. I was at an Indian wedding in San Jose and it was so hot, and I was flipping my fan around and it just felt so luxurious, and people were kind of borrowing my fan and just using it. So this always comes in handy, and I always have it with me. All right, things are going back. All right, next interesting thing. So I live in California, and here the plastic bags, whatever bags you get from the grocery store, you're charged for it. I just wanted to save some money. It's not a lot, but it's also in a way saving environment. So this is my recyclable bag that I keep in all my purses. This one is from IKEA, and this is just for $1. So I always carry this. All right, the next thing is this huge pouch. This is one of the best pouches I own. It's made out of nylon, so it's not super heavy, but it also accommodates a lot of stuff. I think there's a bigger size than this, but I decided to go for this one, and I've been enjoying this. So the very first zipper that I have in here, I have a MAC concealer. This is Studio Finish Concealer SPF 35 Broad Spectrum SPF 35, and this is in color NW30. When I don't want to put on a lot of makeup, or I just don't want to use like the liquid concealer, I just use my finger actually for this. This kind of fixes things for me very quick. And I also have bunch of safety pins in here, safety pins and an eyebrow pencil and some clips that I have in here. I have a very small nail polish in case my nails are chipped or they just look too bad. I carry this very tiny nail polish with me, a very small comb, and this one is from India. Combs in India are amazing. I always get combs from India. That was just in the smaller section of this pouch. Now let's go into the bigger section. I'm gonna make some space here. So this is my Hello Kitty jewelry box. The next thing I have in here are a bunch of lotions, and so this one I got from Daiso. It comes in a pair. So these two come in a pair, and this is my moisturizer and this is my just face mist. And apart from that, I also carry just beach defense. This is for my entire body. For my face, if I've already done my makeup, this is the Sunbalm Mist 45. You can just spray it on your hand and just put it on your face, and that just works out really well. The next is this is a hairspray. So if I feel like my hair is a little frizzy and they're just not staying in place, I just keep this hairspray with me. A perfume spray. So this is the travel perfume. In here I have the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume, and I have had very bad experience with like the spray leaking out, so I've been very cautious. I recently switched to these bottles and they have been working out well for me, but I'm being very careful because the last time I had my perfume kind of explode in my pouch, and some of my lipsticks, they had all the scent over them, which I don't mind my lipstick smelling great, but the coating of the lipsticks came off and I just didn't like how they were looking. So I've been very cautious, and this is my perfume. Obviously, if you're doing some makeup, you need a mirror, and this mirror is great because there's some lights and I love it. I think the lights look great. So they come in pretty handy. And some more. So there's a hair clip, definitely something that I use all the time. And then there are some Altoids, which I carry. I always hand these out to my friends, which is incredible. I love to hand those out. I have a Ricola in here for itchy throat. I also have a pen and a book. So I tend to carry this in case I have some ideas or anything I remember. Tree napkin. And then there's wipe that tush. Because just in case you don't have any toilet paper available, I use the flushable wipe. And sometimes I have acidity, so I carry Eno with me. Very, very desi of me. But I do have Eno with me. And the last thing that's coming out of this pouch is a razor. This is like very lightweight, so love it. And that's in my pouch. Okay, that's all in my big pouch. Now let's move on to some other things. So I mentioned that my perfume leaked. So from then on, I have decided to kind of keep my lipsticks in a very secure bag. I'm very possessive about my lipsticks. So I bought this pouch just for the lipsticks. Here are the lipsticks. So this is the Milani lipstick in Matte Dreamy. This is a beautiful pink. I love this pink. It looks great on me. And then this is the Valentino Rose lipstick. Very teeny tiny one, perfect for travel. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Rum Punch. This is also a beautiful mauve color. It works really well on brown skin, I would say. So highly recommend this one. And apart from that, I have a liner. This is the NYX lip liner crayon, and this is a nutmeg. So carry this because it's small in size. And then there's Sun Balm watermelon flavored broad spectrum SPF 30 lip balm. And my recent favorite has been this NYX fat oil lip drip, and this is in color Newsfeed. This is in Newsfeed, and so good. I love it. So that's all in this pouch. This is my lipstick pouch, solely for lipsticks. And then I have my car keys. This is a cute little watermelon. Alright, everyone. So I think the next pouch that comes out of my bag is this Lululemon pouch. Is definitely one thing that I carry in my bag everywhere. This also has some double makeup items because generally, if I'm carrying a smaller purse, I don't carry the blue big pouch for my makeup. I just tend to carry this. So there are some bare minimal essentials in this which I love and are very easy to use. They are very travel friendly. So let's go into this one. The first thing that I have in here are my lippies, and recently I just broke one of my lipsticks, which is very heartbreaking. But this is the Valentino lipstick in rose, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in medium. And these are very travel friendly, so tiny ones. And then I have the Natasha Denona Golden Palette. Got all these items from Sephora, which are super travel friendly. And then I have this makeup puff. This is just so that I use a Charlotte Tilbury air filter. This is the powdered form of, so I have this Charlotte Tilbury powder, and I tend to use this puff along with that. So that's why the puff. And apart from that, I have this hook. This is super nice. I got this off of Amazon. So basically, you just hang it in here, and then you can hang your purse anywhere. And this takes a lot of load off the bag, so I don't like to keep my purses on ground, and it just annoys me a lot. So I just maintain my purses in a specific way. That's why I love this. And that's in that small pouch. And in the second one, I have some more things. I have this Trident gum just so that I have minty fresh breath. And then there's my license and my credit card. All right, then I have these loop earbuds. So basically, I just pop these in when I'm on a flight because my ear hurt and I don't like that feeling. And also, these are like the music concert earbuds. So I carry this everywhere because I'm getting older. And that's basically in these two pouches. So things are going back now. Little sunglass pouch. Uh, so this is a purchase from Paris. My husband got this one for me, and there's a cute little girl on a bicycle, and she's right next to Paris. Isn't it exciting? So these are my sunglasses. Love them. They are very chunky, and I kind of enjoy using them. The last pouch I have is actually pretty interesting too because this is all food related. So I kind of like spicy food, and sometimes the food is really bland for me, and I just carry some sauces which are like chili sauce or hot sauces or even salt and pepper for that matter, to keep things okay for me. So there are these bunch of sauces. So this is the chili paste, and then there's some Diablo sauce, which is from Taco Bell, and I love the flavor of it. And I also carry some salt and pepper packets. And then I also have a, a tea, a type of an herbal tea, and this is the peach tea, which is amazing. So I got this peach tea from Whole Foods, and I've been enjoying it so much. It's so fragrant. I love it. So I carry some tea as well. And then there's a fork and spoon and a knife kit, which also has a tissue and also some salt and pepper packets in there, which comes in handy sometimes. And then I also carry these rubber bands in case I'm eating some chips or some kind of a packet that I just purchased and I just don't want it to go stale. So I just use this for that. And apart from that, I have another emergency packet of Eno just in case I have some acidity. And yeah, actually that's about it. And there are some just redundant things here. So this is my toothbrush. Alright, this is going back in there. That's all in my bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, go check out my next one where I review this bag. Thank you.
We got that fire deep inside.